Hello, hello, hello. I'm Mandy, and this is Mental Health and Makeup with Mandy. I went to Sephora because I'm out of town and I wanted to do something after work because it feels like I'm on vacation. Even though I'm not, I shouldn't be spending money, blah, 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 whatever. Okay, now I had to get a brow pencil because I left mine at home and I was using eyeshadow as an eyebrow thing. I have to create quite a bit of brow, and so brow product is something that I go through. And I was watching all of that drama with the benefit. I love drama videos about makeup. I think it's fun and lighthearted and silly, and who cares about it anyway, right? But anyway, in this particular drama thing that I was watching, I love these guys, but I was watching this drama channel and they were talking about, oh, no, no, no. Yeah, anyway, they were talking about Michaela on this brand trip for benefit, and they have this gorgeous hotel that they put them up in. They like rented out the whole hotel and gave them like a swag bag and all this stuff. Now it's cool to travel with my job, but I mean, that would be cool. So she's on a business trip, but she's also a human being. People are saying basically that she's a phony because she doesn't look like she looks in her videos. So help me out. What am I missing? Because I get that she lied about the telescopic lashes and what? She's a human being. She's on vacation. And y'all are acting like she's not allowed to look like she looks. Or to make herself look different on a video. Should I try to look nicer on a video too? I would not like to sit at this angle so y'all can see my double chin. Now come on. See, there's a little bit of my backwoods coming in here because, geez, y'all, stop it. That is ridiculous. And that's not drama either, but they got it on drama channels. I don't even know if it's that big of a deal. I just saw it a couple different places and was like, huh? What? What are y'all thinking? Really? Leave Michaela alone. Where's the Britney guy? Leave Michaela alone. Hashtag leave Michaela alone. Anyway, Benefit. Benefit makes fantastic brow products, and I'm out of town and I didn't have my brow product, and of course, Benefit brow product. Okay, so you guys know how amazing this product is. I will show you that at the end. And I gotta hurry too. I gotta get to bed at some point. Okay, so I got the Benefit brow thing from Ulta, okay? And at Ulta, I was also, I was on my lunch, which we only have like 30 minutes for lunch where I work. And the Ulta is like right next door. So I'm like, okay, I'll stop into Ulta real quick. So, of course, I was like, Benefit. I just saw Benefit with this hotel thing. Oh, I wonder if maybe they create the drama around Michaela not looking like she looks to drum up business for Benefit. I mean, I know that that's why they do those influencer trips. And I know that it works because marketing is like that. Because I just had it in my head because I saw it and I happened to need a brow product. Marketing geniuses, just saying. So, anyway, for some damn stupid reason, I was like, I should try Kylie Jenner stuff because she's totally rebranded and different and whatever. And she came out with this cream lipstick. And I gotta tell you, I'm not thrilled. I'm not thrilled with it. And I think I'm gonna take it back. Ulta is not my jam, okay? And I don't think Kylie Jenner is my jam. I don't know. I don't really, I thought it was lighter. This one is called If Looks Could Kill. And I thought that it was lighter, like a more subtle nude. And it's like expensive. And I think and it's expensive. It feels nice, but like I have other ones. I was looking for that perfect nude. Every woman, all of you guys, every single one of you, I know this has to be true. I feel like every single one of us is looking for the perfect lipstick shade and talk about the perfect this, the perfect that. You always are like, maybe that would make me look better than I looked yesterday when I wore the other one that I liked. Anyway, whatever. Who cares about that? So I don't think I'm going to keep this because I feel like I have this color. I feel like this color is Mannequin. I really do. I feel like it's just Mannequin from Jeffree Star, which is another reason. It is. It's Mannequin from Jeffree Star. If you like Kylie Jenner and you already know you like Mannequin, this is for you. And it's called If Looks Could Kill. And I think that If Looks Could Kill should be some sort of either black or some sort of daring rouge should be If Looks Could Kill. I'm just telling you. Plus, she has like 100 nude lip gloss or nude lipsticks, and I was looking for something lighter than this. Like, I want something lighter. Am I crazy? Probably. That's the other thing. I'm sleep deprived, so there you go. Okay, so I'm back home. And I never finished talking about that Kyliner. It was the eyeliner, and I can't even show it to you because I returned it in Wooster, Ohio, because I was like, there's just no way I'm spending money on this, okay? The Too Faced Killer Liner, much better. This is a pink shade. It was a little bit more peachy, the one that I got. I put it on the first day, and I was like, oh, this is so nice, and it stayed, and it was wonderful. Well, the next day, I was a little teary-eyed, which I often am, and this bad boy powers through it. The the Kylie Jenner crap, it left these awful gaping like pockets where I could not get the liner to go. And literally, I took it off and immediately went in with this one, and it worked so much better. And you know, I've given Kylie Jenner all the chances that I think we're gonna give Kylie Jenner. And everything that I got at the Ulta, I returned. Stay tuned for part 2 where I actually do some makeup because I went to Sephora and saw this amazing Sephora rep. So stay tuned for part 2.